Hello guys, welcome to my channel 3. This video is about the newly launched mobile from Samsung brand and which is Galaxy M10. So without wasting your valuable time, let's get started into this video. The mobile Samsung Galaxy M10 is available in two variants. One is 3GB RAM with 32GB internal storage at 8,990 Indian rupees, and the other one is 2GB RAM with 16GB internal storage at the cost of 7,990 rupees. This Galaxy M10 comes with dual ray cameras, in which one is 15 megapixel with f1.9 aperture and the other one is 5 megapixel with 120 degrees ultra wide angle. And also this Galaxy M10 has 5 megapixel with f2.4 front camera and in-display flash. It has 3400 mAh battery, which is not bad, and 15.8 cm, which means 6.22 inches HD Infinity V display. And it comes along with 1.6 GHz Exynos octa-core processor. And this Galaxy M10 is available in dual SIM with dual Vivo LTE with 7.7 mm slim design. And this mobile is available in two premium colors, which are charcoal black and ocean blue. Face unlock also available in this mobile, and accelerometer, proximity sensor, virtual light display also available in this mobile. Finally, thank you for watching this video guys, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also write a comment down below regarding this Samsung Galaxy M10 mobile.